Welcome to the 12-slide PowerPoint presentation on the AI investment pod. My name is Rolf Green. I am a graduate student in the Computer Science Department at Full Sail University, Winter Park, Florida. In this presentation, I show a 12-slide PowerPoint presentation on the progress of the AI investment pod research, including the calculus live trader.py Python formula. In slide 1, as you can see right here, let's see if I can get it in focus. I'm addressing the AI investment bot calculus live trader. The presentation shows a Full Sail University project for scientifically engineered training. In the introduction to the AI investment bot, a high-tech calculus-driven desktop trading solution you'll see developed at the Computer Science Department. This project, which exemplifies scientifically engineered precision in financial technology. In slide 2, I note the introduction. It introduces the AI investment bot as a Python-based desktop app for cryptocurrency and investment trading with calculus predictions and visualizations. The AI investment bot delivers a desktop application utilizing calculus-based predictions for cryptocurrency as well as other investment trading. Implemented in Python with integrated visualizations, it enhances market accessibility. The program statement follows. Next slide. Slide 3, the problem statement. Our research of the AI investment bot highlights barriers in trading, high costs, and complex interfaces which the bot overcomes. This presentation addresses the most efficient solution the bot provides in a desktop application to investment trading through its calculus live trader.py. Existing trading tools exhibit high cost and complex interfaces, restricting access for individuals and corporations. This solution addresses these inefficiencies. Importance is detailed in the next slide. Here the research presents the hypotheses of a scalable, efficient trading technology validated by consistent profit and low cost. In the hypotheses, I noted a scalable, efficient trading technology that works every day on a computer desktop. The hypothesis asserts that a calculus-driven desktop trading system provides uniquely scalable, highly efficient modern technology. Researchable metrics include user adoption rates, profit consistency, and operational costs, impacting diverse financial sectors. It implements extensive visuals. Challenges are outlined subsequently in the next slide. Slide 5, the approach. The AI investment bot takes a scientifically engineered mathematical approach to the problem of price prediction in volatile, i.e., wavy investment markets. The research shows the following approach: calculus live trader, multi-trade simulations, and visualizations like the BTC, USD scatter plot, and many more. Here you'll note the calculus live trader in the approach, multi-trade simulations across various investments, visualizations of the trade activity, and you may note the BTC USD scatter pin in the next slide. The approach leverages calculus-like-trader.py for automation, multi-trade simulations for validation, and visualization for data analysis. This scatter plot illustrates the analytical framework as just one example. Method is presented in the following slide accurately. Here we can see the heavy volume and the price of the USD price of the Bitcoin in the scatter plot over the last 30 days. That's slide 6, illustrating a bot's analytical framework. The next slide is slide 7 on method. Here we see a BTC USD price chart below in the next slide, showing historical data through SQLite using the matplot library. Method uses historical data, 720 hours and 100 minutes per symbol, stored in SQLite, with matplotlib generating precise charts. This scientific engineering ensures the robust performance, and the results are reported below. Here we see the BTC USD price chart, as well as the RSI chart, which can be very important in predicting when the market is turning in the dip and bounce strategy. In the next slide, slide 8, which we have right here, this displays the price chart to show the bot's market tracking and prediction capabilities. And we'll get into that a little bit later by mentioning the correlation coefficient. Slide 9 shows results in a simplified format using a profit and loss chart. Here we do 6 trades, I think. And it just took minutes, really, and it developed $1.43 in profit and several $100 profit on a minimum investment over a period of a day. Here we see the profit and loss chart. It presents 6 trades with $1.43 net profit. It's just a small amount made in minutes, actually. Several $100 total profit over the day with no losses and 100% profitable day trades. And this is just a simple example. It could be much more in-depth in the area of compounding profits. Here we go to the next chart, showing the discussion. Okay, here we go. Discussion. Covers efficiency, cost effectiveness as a free tool, and the limitation of the placeholder wave cycle. It's the limitation for traditional investments methods. In this case, the system achieves efficiency through real-time updates and cost effectiveness as a free tool. The limitation exists in the placeholder wave cycle for traditional investment strategies and requires further data-driven refinement, which I've implemented for the most part in the calculus live trader. Future directions are outlined next. Commercial impact. It has commercial impact. And this I want to show in a little bit more detail as the best Money maker online because of the high correlation high correlation rates. Let's see if I can get that center. There we go. And I think I have a larger illustration of the commercial impact. It describes impact for corporations as well as individuals and institutions with a heat map. The heat map includes correlation insights with Bot's tremendous ability to make price predictions at 98% plus correlation. This I was able to substantiate in the logging of the investment bot. Let me see if I can get you the larger image. File Explorer. Okay, right here. It just takes a second to pull up and you get to see a bigger picture. How the heat map appears. Momentarily it will appear. See here you see the heat map enlarged. And it shows in this case a 96% correlation between the bot predicted price and the actual market price for BTC. It also shows Doge in Bitcoin having that high correlation relationship. There you go. That's a little better. Okay, let's get back to the presentation where we see the heat map showing high correlation of the Bitcoin and Doge USD prices. And then we'll go on from there. Noting the commercial impact includes extends to corporations for portfolio management, individuals as well for personal investment, and to financial institutions for innovation. The heat map highlights correlation insights and future work is proposed because of its strength. Okay, here we reach the discussion. Let's see if I can arrange this a little better. Future work indicates live trading implementation, wave cycle optimization, and scalability. Includes these enhancements aim to reinforce the hypothesis of scientific validity, and the conclusion would follow. The discussion covers efficiency, cost effectiveness as a free tool, and the limitation of the placeholder wave cycle in traditional circumstances. We discuss the correlation. That's in here. Let's go on to the next one. Commercial impact. Further progress, take your business to the moon with highly skilled scientific engineering, in which we apply mathematically correct calculus in predicting price movements in the BTC or Bitcoin investment market as well as other markets. In our conclusion here, we note the AI investment bot presents a scientifically engineered trading solution supporting the hypothesis of accessible, efficient technology. Further research and development are recommended, and I thank you for your participation in this presentation. In conclusion, this 12-slide PowerPoint presentation of the AI investment bot showed some of the progress in the research of its calculus live trader formulation. Request more information by sending email to rhgreen@student.fullsail.edu. Capital R, capital H, capital G, REEN @student.fullsail.edu.